Hey, what's up, guys? Happy 2020. January 1st, 2020. I'm, launching my YouTube channel. So, first video is going to be uploaded on my channel, Supreme Being Tsunami. It's going to be a little tutorial for making little meme videos for like Instagram, TikTok, whatever. This one I posted on my Instagram with the song by Drake, Over. So, it was pretty funny. I'm not going to play it for copyrights, but let's get started. So, you want to, first, you want to download right here. You're going to go over here, and you see on my second row on top, right here, it's AZ Recorder. Boom, right there. So, right here, yeah. So, you're going to download this in the App Store. It's free. It's the best one to use. So, it records your screen. So if you click on it, then you have the little home button. So the action is always here, ready to go for you. So what you want to do next is you're going to want to find the video you want to edit, post on your TikTok, Instagram, whatever. So for my video, I wanted to use the Jack Sparrow, the first one where he's, entering the scene. Pretty much first time you get to see Jack Sparrow, a classic, one of my favorite movies, So you're going to want to screen record your phone, highest quality, 1080p, as it's set right there. And you're going to want to, oops, turning down the sound. 1 second. All right. And so you can see that it's a really good quality. So if we're going to crop that video on the YouTube page, it's going to blast it up, but the graphics, the resolution will still be there, so it won't be like complete garbage. But anyways, the scene's coming up right now, and by the way, if you want to like fast forward or rewind, you could just double tap on the screen on the corner left or right, which way you want to have the video play, and it will play it. So here it is, and that's the scene. Beautiful. We're going to pause it. We're going to go back home. We're going to open right here. And what I did, I already went ahead and had it recorded earlier, so I don't have to stop the recording. Let's see, where is it? It is going to be right over here, I believe. Yeah, so this is one of the other ones I recorded. So as you can tell, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the little magic wand. So it's right here. It's this right here, top one, 18 seconds, 32 megabytes. So you're going to click on the wand. Boom. So here's the video. So now you want to trim it to perfection. So where you want it to like have the video start, you're going to find your scene. Here it is. Okay, almost. A little less, 10. Let's go 11. Right here, 11, 10, 9. Okay. And then you want to crop the back. Let's make it 10 seconds even. 9.8. Okay, that's perfect. So then you're going to trim the video. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. So we have the video trimmed. Perfect. So we're going to go back, and now we're going to find the trim piece. So there you go. Top video. 9 seconds. Magic wand. Boom. So you're going to want to crop it now. So now we have the little crop. Yeah, let's crop it this big. So, let's take out that quick. Let's see how that looks like. Oh, that's lovely. Perfect. So you can post it on your Instagram story, on your thread, whatever. So let's crop the video. And boom, look at that. So now here's the final product. There it is. And now what you can do is, you know, edit it on your Instagram or edit it on your, let's see, on any web. There you go. Boom. And now you can just add your, your fun stuff, your edits, your music in here, All right. Thanks guys for watching. Supreme out.